Hi guys, welcome to my channel Engineer Hacks. Today in this video I will tell you how much time it takes to get offer letter and joining from Cognizant. Well, it requires a lot of patience if you are going to join Cognizant because joining may take up to 10 months and more. I will show you all my emails sent by Cognizant from getting offer letter to joining. Watch the video till the end. Let's get started without wasting any more time.
My interview was held on 7 April 2019 at Lovely Professional University, Jalandhar. Just after 10 days of my interview, I received interview status email from CTS. In this email, it is written that your document validation and background verification is in progress. You will hear from us within the next 2 weeks regarding your offer letter. I was very tense that time because I didn't get an email from CTS in the next 2 months. Almost after 2 months of my interview, I received Cognizant offer letter update email from CTS. In this email, it is written that your offer letter is in progress and it will be released in batch in the next 2 to 8 weeks. Then on 9 July 2019, I received my offer letter finally, and it is almost after 3 months of my interview. On the next day, I received pre-joining formalities form email from CTS. In this email, they sent me login credentials for C2C portal where I have to upload all my documents like educational certificate, mark sheets, government IDs, etc. While filling pre-joining formalities form, I faced a issue. My college name was not listed, and I raised so many queries to CTS regarding this issue, but I didn't get any reply from CTS. Then finally I selected random college name and uploaded my mark sheet and submit the form. After few days I received action required email from CTS. In this email they asked me to re-upload correct mark sheet because I have selected a college name which was different from my mark sheet. Again my college name was not listed, so I raised so many queries to CTS. I did not get any reply. Finally I created a note. In this note I mentioned my college name is not listed, that is why I selected random college name, please add my college name internally. I attached this note along with marksheet in the same PDF and submit the form, and my problem was solved. On 20 September 2019, I received date of joining timeline update and guidelines email from CTS. In this email, they just mention you are part of active pipeline and wait for your date of joining. You will receive your date of joining shortly. Next mail I received on 13 November 2019. In this email, it is written that your date of joining will be between 20 December 2019 to 13 January 2020. Finally, on 21st January 2020, I received date of joining intimation mail from CTS. My date of joining was on 28 January 2020, and it is almost after 10 months of my interview. Next email from CTS was mandatory documents required for joining, and they sent me an ASA3 form. An ASA3 form is mandatory if you do not have any of your provisional certificate or degree or mark sheets. Then you have to carry an ASA3 form. Your onboarding pass will be generated just one day before your date of joining. Keep checking your C2C portal. Please keep remember these things. Sending too many emails to CTS is not gonna help. All you can do is just wait. Second, if any of your documents get rejected, then it will not affect your date of joining. One of my documents get rejected, but I got the same joining as my colleagues who had been recruited with me from same college. Use this time wisely to sharpen your skills. Don't worry, you will definitely get your offer letter and joining very soon.
If you have enjoyed, like the video, and if you have any queries and questions, please comment below. I will definitely respond to your queries and comments. Subscribe my channel for frequent job updates and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of the next video.